Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe in Estral Blue. The car is a 2017 plate, features a wide array of BMW options alongside our full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. It's a facelift model, so we've got the darkened facelift headlamps as you can see there, sitting behind the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels that we've just had fully refurbished. You'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 420D we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. Aside that, you'll see the sun protection glazing as part of that, BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals as well. A very useful feature for this car is the comfort access package. So I've got the key simply in my pocket. I can walk up to the car, place my hand on the door handle, it'll unlock for me, and virtually the same for locking the car. Very convenient optional extra to have. Black Dakota leather with both the electric movement, memory and heated seat options as well. Harman Kardon surround sound, of course, as part of the M Sport Plus package. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement in the rear, and once again all of that is in great condition. Central folding armrest and a wonderful Black Dakota leather, black M Sport headlining. Once again it's got an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, again showing you off those freshly refurbished alloys. And round at the back we opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler and the satin diffuser on this car, and you can see again those facelift rear lights. Opening up the boot, you can see just how much space you do have in a 4 Series coupe, alongside split folding seats. Around onto the driver's side, where once more you can see that the Estral Blue really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made, alongside of course those eye-catching alloy wheels. And we shall now go through and take a seat inside this car, because there's yet some more very nice features and options to take yourselves through. We've got power folding mirrors, extended storage, all just down here. So that can be of course controlled just using your lock button, or of course still using the comfort access package, or that button there. Professional wide navigation and media screen. That uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. At the main menu, you can flick through these little side menus, as everything has been separated into little sub menus, making things that little bit easier to navigate. Vehicle status, this is where all of the service requirements and service history is kept. It's got 10,000 miles till next service. We've got Bluetooth audio and telephone for this car, alongside internet hotspot. And in terms of your mobile devices, just underneath the armrest is a wireless charging dock, so place your device in there, and of course you can simply forget about it because you're going to be connected via Bluetooth. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, Bluetooth we spoke about, and you've of course also got USB input just down here. The car has covered just over 57,000 miles. Also comes with high beam assist, and of course the wonderful cruise control and speed limiter options, as well as voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video here at Your Next Car. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do of course want to get in touch, you can find all of the relevant contact information and of course links to our website down below in the description. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll look forward to seeing yourselves very, very soon. Bye bye.